This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Oil and filter renewal. Jack and support front with wheel removal. Select first gear and apply the handbrake. Position the jack head under the front subframe jacking point, then raise the vehicle until the wheels are clear of the ground. Position the axle stands under the sill jacking points, then lower the jack. Pull the bonnet release handle in the driver's footwell, push the safety catch to one side, then fully open the bonnet and support it with the bonnet prop. Rotate the oil filler cap anti-clockwise and remove it. Position the draining container under the sump drain plug. Unscrew, then remove the drain plug and allow the oil to drain. The container may need repositioning as the flow slows to a trickle. Remove the old sealing washer. Wipe clean the drain plug, then fit a new washer. After all the oil has drained, clean the area around the drain plug opening. Refit the plug with the new sealing washer and tighten it to the specified torque. If you haven't already, remove this cover to access the oil filter and move the drain container into position under the filter. The oil filter is located on the left-hand side of the engine, viewed from the driver's seat. Using a 76mm oil filter removal socket, chain wrench or strap wrench, slacken the filter initially, then unscrew it by hand the rest of the way. Empty the oil in the old filter into the container. Use a clean rag to remove oil, dirt and sludge from the filter sealing area on the engine. Lubricate the sealing ring with clean engine oil, then screw the new filter into position on the engine by hand only. Once the filter sealing ring makes contact, tighten the filter another 270 degrees, or 3/4 of a turn. Refit the cover and also the engine underguard if necessary. Then remove the container of old oil from underneath the car. Raise the vehicle slightly, remove the axle stands and lower the vehicle to the ground. Position a funnel in the oil filler hole to help avoid spillage. Withdraw the dipstick. Fill the engine using the correct grade and type of oil. Pour in half the specified quantity of oil first, then wait a few minutes for the oil to run to the sump. Continue adding oil a small quantity at a time until the level is up to the max mark on the dipstick. Refit the filler cap.